Okay. Okay, yeah. So I'm with this dear old friend Tarun, and yeah, I think we'll let Tarun introduce himself.
Oh, yeah. So I am just a student of his
From a long time
from a
ago.
long time ago. And actually, Yogen sir actually taught me English while I was preparing for my CAT. So that was when we met first. Later on, I think we contacted once more, but now here we are once again, finally. Like, yeah.
How long since we last met?
It's been, I think, 5 years now.
5 years must be. Yeah, I think
Yes.
so too. Yeah, I think
In fact, 6 years.
6 years. Yeah, I think you're right. And you went on a journey on your two-wheeler, on your duo.
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
us about that. Where did
Oh.
you go?
Yeah, so I'm not as adventure freak as much as Yogen is, totally. But yeah, I have sort of traveled on my Dio, Honda Dio two-wheeler scooter from Delhi to Vadodara once and back.
So Delhi to Vadodara is 1,000, 1,100.
Yeah, a little less than 1100 kilometers.
Okay, and that is how many? 100 cc, 65 cc. Duo is what?
Yeah, it's 110 cc. if I'm not
100
wrong.
cc. Yeah, and you went 2,000 kilometer return journey. More than 2,000 kilometer return.
Yeah,
journey.
yeah. While coming back, I took just 18 hours.
18 hours from Baroda to Delhi.
Yeah, yeah.
From Baroda to Delhi on that two-wheeler.
Yeah, other than bio brakes and fuel refueling brakes, I did not
And
stop
of course,
anywhere.
during 18 hours, did you sleep or did
No,
you just drive
nothing.
from morning to night?
Yeah, I started off at around 3:45. I know the exact time.
3:45
And
in
I
the morning.
reached here. Yeah, in the morning. I
and
reached here at 9:45 p.m.
Wow. Like you reached here in time for dinner, really.
Yeah, and to sleep
awesome,
off
man.
properly.
And that was on a Honda Duo.
Honda Dio.
That was okay.
Yeah.
No bad experiences, nothing.
Nothing like just one or two maybe sort of bordering scary situations, but yeah, nothing too scary in fact.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing too scary.
More good.
The
or more
roads are
bad?
good.
Roads are good.
Roads are
Are
good.
the people good?
People are amazing. Like I stopped at one place actually while I was traveling from Delhi to Vadodara. I actually went through Kota via Kota
Rajasthan,
event.
yeah.
Yeah. So while I was in my second leg of that journey, while I was traveling from Kota to Vadodara, there's a small town called Chittorgarh.
Chittorgarh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I went to fuel station there, fueling station there, and there were like I found a few people and youngsters looking at my guitar. I was traveling with my guitar.
With your guitar,
So
yeah.
they
You are a
asked me,
musician as well.
yeah, can you play it? I said, yeah, why not? So, so I played in front of them 2-3 songs on the trot. And
If
they
you
loved
can
it.
play any instrument, you will always find people who will ask you to play it.
Yeah,
You will
totally.
always find an audience. If you
Yeah.
can play something even half decent, you will find an audience.
But one
people
way-
love music. Everyone loves music.
Totally. And the simplicity and innocence with which they asked, I just couldn't
Say
deny.
no.
I couldn't
obvious.
say no.
Yeah. They mean it respectfully.
They mean it, yeah.
genuinely are curious people.
Genuinely
it's not
are
like
curious.
They want to bother you, but people are genuinely curious.
Yeah, true, true.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. You know, they don't mean to intrude or poke into any of your personal things, but they just want to know more about everything, including you. That's what I also felt.
Totally.
That sometimes we get freaked out when people ask us to do something, or they pay too much attention to one part of us, like our height or our talents or our skills or anything.
Yeah.
We kind of feel that they are kind of why are they picking on one part of me, but you're absolutely right, they're just curious and they want to know
True.
more about you, and if you
True.
play an instrument, then you're it. But you're not just a musician. What else do you work with a big company?
Yeah, I work with an MNC, HCL Technologies.
HCL Technologies, which
Yeah.
is like what, a $5 billion enterprise or something like that.
It's just touched the 10 billion mark.
10 billion
Billion
with a B,
dollars.
US dollars.
Yes.
Billion.
Yeah.
So that's 10 with 9 zeros.
Totally.
Yeah, awesome.
USD.
US dollars.
Yeah.
And that's an Indian company.
Yeah,
HCL
it
is
was
an
founded
Indian
in India, but
Yeah.
we don't call ourselves an
An Indian company anymore. Obviously, they are
per se,
listed
like,
all over the world. London,
Yeah.
New York, everywhere.
we
Yeah,
are
Tokyo.
we're a global company.
Of course, they are global. Yeah. How many countries do they have offices?
As far as I know, more than I think that is also bordering
50 or 40 countries.
40.
Countries and $10 billion enterprise.
Yeah.
That's HCL, Hindustan Computers Limited, I think. Or
It
no?
was previously
Sorry.
used to be an
Computers
abbreviation of
Limited.
Hindustan Computers Limited.
Yeah.
But now it's just called HCL Technologies.
For many years now, it's been called just HCL,
Just HCL
Technologies.
Technologies, right.
And what do HCL Technologies do? There's a $10 billion Indian enterprise, US dollar enterprise. What do they do?
So primarily they are an IT company, IT services company per se. But digging deeper,
IT services, information technology services.
True.
Awesome. Yeah.
So
what?
they provide, starting ranging from services ranging from providing their client with the IT infrastructure that they need to carry out their business.
Hardware, networks,
It could be,
software.
it could be all of, like we cover the entire spectrum.
Yeah, IT infrastructure.
IT infrastructure, plus we have another division which caters to, which is called HCL Applications and System Integrations, and the other one is engineering
Applications
and
and
R&D services.
systems integrations and engineering and R&D services.
Yeah,
Research and
basically-
development services.
Yeah, so basically both these lines of businesses cater more to the application software, that part, not to the sort of hardware or network or infrastructure related
Yeah.
part. And we have another division called business services, which is pretty much we provide business outsourcing solutions. And what about we have other smaller domains and lines of businesses, but yeah, that's all.
We do, yeah. So that's big. Okay, coming back to your music. So what have you been playing and how long have you been playing?
Oh yeah, so I was introduced to music when I was in 10th grade. So I wanted my dad to gift me with a guitar.
When you were in 10th grade, 15 years old.
Yeah, around that. So I asked him to gift me a guitar if I clear my 10th with good numbers.
Yeah.
So he did.
Which you did, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he gave me a guitar. Since then I've been hooked.
Awesome. So since you
What
got your
about-
first year when you were 15 years old and you're still playing it.
Yeah, I cannot stop
Yeah.
it ever.
You cannot stop it ever. Let's play. Yeah, go on. What?
Oh yeah, no, I was just saying that it's such a pleasure to be with you here.
Oh, same here, yeah. It's a pleasure. Awesome, yeah. You're a
Because
musician.
I
I
know
love
you are.
musicians.
Oh, my hair is not good.
No,
so I
neither
know
is
that.
mine. That's okay.
Yeah, I know that. You are so courteous to just speak or just make this so much about me, but it
Come
should
on,
be
man.
more
No,
about
I,
you.
you know,
Because
you're an
have
artist. Come on.
no. In fact, you have just completed the first leg of your 40,000 kilometer journey.
That was just 1500 for now. But you know,
1500.
it's just simply putting one foot in front of the other, right? Really, everyone, I mean, it's really that simple as we've been walking since we were 2 years old. Think about it. So, yeah, but thanks for acknowledging. It was an experience. I
But
agree.
how
Thank you.
how do you feel about it today? Let me be a journalist a little bit of.
Like, my friend said that the walk has started.
Okay. Wow, that summarizes it very well.
Yeah, the walk has started. The first leg is over, but the campaign has just started.
That's
So lots to talk about, but nothing much to talk about yet. Really, I don't know. Maybe there are things to talk about, but I really need to compile my thoughts and figure out the words to share them. So
Okay, sure.
why not? But let's perform something for these
Let's
people.
do that then.
Pink Floyd,
Yeah, let's start with Pink Floyd.
Wish You Were Here.
I don't know if it's audible at all.
Okay, so there we go. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold sea rail? Smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell?
So the next part is a long outro. I'll skip that.
Yeah, that's good.
Now I think you can try one.
You'll have to join me wherever I'm around.
Metallica, wherever I'm wrong. All right. You come on the screen a little bit, maybe. Great.
I was thinking of putting your phones there so they could charge and do it. वरना पता नहीं इसमें दोनों कम हो जाएगा. देखते हैं. मेरे में तो है वो बैटरी.
Yeah, yeah. It's good.
So obviously it was way milder than what Tarun actually plays and sings. So we'll have him perform something. Do you want to play on the guitar or something from new metal, heavy metal, whatever you listen to usually, whatever is your genre these days?
Okay.
Or genre, whatever.
I don't know, but can I sing death metal? I don't know if
whatever
anyone
you
would
like.
listen.
Yeah, music is music. Look, people will have opinions because it's art.
Yeah.
So obviously people will have opinions, and that's the whole point about it. That nobody can ignore music. People will either love it, hate it, or not think much of it, or think much of it. But ultimately, art is art. Whether it is painting, architecture, music, you are creating something.
Amazing.
In a sense, it's like, in a very small human way, we are being God when we are creating something, even if it is as simple as music. Because some people say in the universe is a wave. So then, when you are creating music, you are creating waves at some fundamental level.
Wow.
So yeah, if you play something on your guitar, even better, or sing or whatever you feel like.
Yeah, I think I will sing.
Okay.
So
Why
I
don't
will
you play
sing.
something, man? You've got so many guitars, play something.
I just have one guitar here with me, but I'll have to plug it in. I'll have to sort of tune it. It's not in tune.
Oh, okay, forget about it. Then
We
sing
have that
something
much time.
from your genre, your style, whatever you like.
Yeah.
Guys, have a hobby, music, pottery, I don't know, whatever, but have a hobby. Hobbies, he works for a multi-billion US dollar Indian enterprise. He's a guy from Baroda, he grew up in Baroda where I grew up. So, yeah, I mean, he works, what's your formal job title? Acquisition.
Yeah.
Talent
I'm
acquisition.
Associate Manager Talent Acquisition.
Okay, so he's Talent Acquisition Associate Manager. Talent Acquisition, obviously.
Talent Acquisition COE.
COA is?
Center of Excellence.
Yeah, Center of Excellence. So he works for HCL, which is a $10 billion US dollar enterprise. I have to keep repeating this because it's an Indian company. And, he's got a job and a life of his own, but he's an artist. So everyone can be, should be, will be an artist. So yeah, why not? Let him perform whatever. Let's enjoy whatever he performs.
Yeah, but you're giving me totally too much credit.
No, do whatever. No, I'm just asking you to play what your favorite song
like this sort of music, but yeah, it means a lot to me.
But yeah, it means a lot to, I mean, to, people appreciate art. That's what matters.
Amazing.
Art is art, music is music. It's about expression, not about opinions.
True. So, where do you go next from here for the audience? You could maybe the audience would be probably willing to know where are you going next from here?
Oh, I already ended this video. Should we start? Actually,
It's okay, then I think let's end the other one.
yeah, when I reach there, we'll end that also. When I reach there, I'll put up a post.
Thank you.
Thank you guys, yeah.